If you feel like the election is interfering with your car count, do not expect the phone to start ringing as soon as the election's over. Hi, Dan Cricks here. I've owned multiple shops and have been helping shop owners grow their car count and their profit margins for almost 25 years. Chances are with one of our marketing programs, we can help you get the phone ringing to get your schedule filled. Here's what one shop owner from South Dakota, Dennis, said about our marketing program. It is good, real information, not off-the-wall material. If you'd like to find out more to see if we're a fit for you, give us a no-obligation call at 440-783-1651. Once again, that's 440-783-1651. And again, it's a no-obligation call. Remember, the longer you wait, the more money you lose.